In this video, I'll show you how to quickly share access in DocuSign so your team can collaborate smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. On the top menu, go to the Admin tab and select Users. If the person you want to share access with isn't listed, click Add User, fill in their name, email and details, then confirm. Once they're added, head to your profile settings and select My Preferences. Scroll to the Shared Access section and choose Add Shared Access. Enter the user's details, assign the level of permissions you want them to have, and confirm. That's it. They now have access to your DocuSign account as defined. Remember to review permissions regularly to keep things secure. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips.